In today's video, I'm going to teach you animating a single polygon with keyframes in a 3D scene. We'll start by preparing the object. Select your object in the scene panel and click the Make Editable button in the top toolbar. This converts it from a parametric primitive to a polygonal mesh, which is required for direct polygon manipulation. Because this is a one-way action, it's a good idea to duplicate your object first so you have a clean backup if you need to revert. Next, switch your selection mode to work with faces rather than the whole object. In the viewport, click the last button on the left-hand menu to enter polygon mode. You'll know you're in the right place if moving your cursor over the model highlights individual faces rather than points or edges. Now, choose the polygon you want to animate by clicking directly on it in the viewport. If you're having trouble selecting the right one, orbit the camera to get a clearer angle and make sure only the polygon tool is active. Taking a moment to confirm your selection prevents unwanted faces from moving later. With the polygon selected, let's lock in its starting state. Move the timeline indicator to your starting frame, usually the first frame. Find the Record Active Object button on the timeline. This is the small red button, and click it to set a keyframe at the polygon's current position and orientation. This keyframe tells the software, at this frame, keep the polygon exactly where it is. Next, move the timeline indicator to a new frame by dragging it to the right. Give yourself enough frames to see a clear movement. Something like 15 to 30 frames is a comfortable starting range. Now manipulate the polygon. Use the Move tool to slide it along the axis handles, or switch to the Rotate tool if you want it to twist. Keep an eye on whether you're transforming in local or world space so the motion goes the way you expect. When the polygon is where you want it at this new frame, press the Record Active Object button again. This creates a second keyframe, capturing the polygon's new position or rotation. Finally, press play on the timeline. You should see the polygon interpolate smoothly between the two keyframes, moving from its starting pose to the new one. If the motion feels too fast or too slow, adjust by dragging the keyframes farther apart or closer together on the timeline. That's all there is to it. Editable mesh, polygon mode, select, keyframe, move in time, transform, keyframe again, and play it back.